Histamine is an amine autocoid derived from an amino acid histidine. If you don't know what an autocoid is, it is a biological factor which is produced by a tissue locally and it acts on the same tissue. Histamine is produced by the decarboxylation of an amino acid histidine and stored mainly in the mast cells in the peripheral tissue. In stomach, it is stored in the enterochromaffin-like cells and it aids in acid secretion by the parietal cells. In the brain, histamine is found inside neurons as a neurotransmitter and it exhibits effects on several other neurotransmitters and pathways. The stored histamine in these tissues get released on specific signals. The released histamine exerts its action by binding to histamine receptors, namely H1, H2, H3, and H4. H1 and H2 are the most important ones and we'll be discussing on that. H1 receptors are found on the smooth muscles of mainly bronchi and intestine, and also in large and small blood vessels, nerve endings, brain, etc. When histamine binds to the receptors, it causes the smooth muscles to contract, leading to bronchoconstriction and intestinal spasm. The large blood vessels contract while the small blood vessels dilate, leading to the formation of redness and edema in local tissues. In the nerve endings, it creates pain and pruritus. In the brain, the binding can affect several neurotransmitters and pathways. It can promote wakefulness, reduce appetite, etc. H2 receptors are found in the parietal cells of stomach and in small blood vessels. In stomach, the binding of histamine stimulates acid secretion by the parietal cells, and in the small blood vessels, it stimulates vasodilation. Antihistamines are drugs used to counter the effect of histamine in the body. If you want me to create a video on that, please hit the like and share button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.